Alright, here's a quick unboxing of Chewbacca Blue Line Black Series. I think he's the first 6-inch one they did. A friend of mine bought it, real good guy, and he doesn't, he's an opener, and so, you know, we're going to unbox it so as to save him some money on shipping. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I told him I'm gonna make a little video so that way we'll get to see everything ahead of time, and then I'm gonna take pictures later. Now I'm actually free-handing the camera, so I'm sorry if it ever gets a little goofy. There are no ties. That's the one thing I love. Unlike the Disney Elites where they put 500 twist ties in there. So you just gently, basically just pop those big teeth out. Is it a Sasquatch? No, it's a Wookiee. Look at how he instantly stands. And does he stand, how well he stands? Wow. And of course, the bandolier needs to be properly shouldered. Oh wow. How much rotation does he have on his head? Let's see. That's a great sculpt. I love that sculpt. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at the eyes. That one almost switch it and sell it. But let's see. So he's got full arm movement. His hands are designed so he can hold his bowcaster. And then, of course, he's got the feet. I'm assuming they've got the up, down, yep, up, down, left, right. So you can get there, and there's a thigh swivel and a knee bend, I believe. Yep, a well-hidden knee bend, and the arm elbow joint that goes in, well hidden again, and the shoulders go up. Amazing. You can't even see the joints. That's awesome. Okay, so that's the short unboxing video of this. Wow, that is cool. The gun is awesome. Alright, so that's that.